Hi! We are going to make a diorama for basketball game.
Go.
Now, we are going to cut the base first.
Go.
So this will be the base, and we will put this, and we will cut 3 more for the sides of the court.
Go.
Now we will cut balik sa isa. Go. Now we will cut the ring and the timer and the players.
Go.
And now we will paste on the folder. And now this is the outcome. The player, the referee. Yes.
Go.
So after cutting all the pieces for the diorama, we will assemble it. So here, after we assemble it, here our basketball court. So I will be showing you the scoring, the name, the crowd, and the ring. And now we will paste the player. The player.
Bubo siya. Go.
This is our final output, a diorama of the basketball game.
Here come Bulls number 23 going to shoot to the ring. Referee score. Home 3, visitor 2. Yay.